Hello, my name is Elaine Sanchez. I'm the founder of CaregiverHelp. Over the past year, there have been some significant changes in the world of caregiver support. Unfortunately, these changes have not been positive. Area agencies on aging lost funding for caregiver support programs. At the same time, many corporations scaled back or even eliminated their employee resource groups. What that means is almost overnight, millions of people lost access to caregiver support. The need for support certainly didn't go away. If anything, it's needed more now than it's ever been needed. And that's why we made the decision to completely rebuild CaregiverHelp. We've taken everything we have learned over the years of working with caregivers and organizations, and we've created something more flexible, more accessible, and more scalable. We offer a turnkey streaming caregiver support group program that can be accessed 24/7 by individual caregivers. We provide live facilitated support group meetings, or we train facilitators for organizations that want to offer their own caregiver program through us. And we offer an online community where caregivers can ask questions, share their stories, and connect with other caregivers. Our updated programs provide support for family caregivers through employee assistance program, through health plans, and healthcare organizations, along with community-based programs and faith-based organizations. We know from our own experience that caregivers don't just need information. They need ongoing emotional support, practical tools, and a place to connect. This isn't a new beginning for CaregiverHelp. It's just actually the next chapter of the work that we have built on years of experience. Same mission, expanded support, greater access. If this resonates with you, I'd love for you to take a look at what we're doing. I've included a link below where you can learn more about CaregiverHelp and the support we offer.